Sino na po dito yung na-in love? Pakitaas po yung kamay. O, nagtaas na ako ng kamay, Ibig sabihin, ako lang yung in love dito, tsaka silang dalawa. Never pa kayong na-in love? Sige po, take 2. Sino na po yung na-in love po dito? Don't be shy. Ayan. Akala ko, ako lang yung normal dito. Masarap ma-in love. Kulang yung oras kasi gusto nyo lagi kayong magkasama. Lagi kayong magkausap. Minsan yung oras dumadaan, hindi nyo namamalayan, ay oras na pala. Ganun ang ma-in love. Lahat kulang at lagi kang naghahanap ng paraan upang yung kulang, yung gap, mapunuan. Amen.
It only hurts if you control.
Mark, do you take Victoria, your present, for your lawful last wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
The answers in silence.
Siguro nagustuhan ko sa kanya yung persevere niya po. Kasi I think he was brave enough. Yung stick po yung father ko. Tapos siya lang po yung talaga na nagpursige. Oo. Pati yung sa mga ate ko.
It's only painful if you hold it.
Victoria, do you take Mark, your present, for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Congratulations! We love you, Papi.
Kuya Mark, nakarami ka ng kiss. Excited kami sa magiging baby na darating. Sana bukas meron na.
Sa sobrang pagmamahal ninyo, yung isang chapter ng kwento ng pagmamahalan ninyo, sinasara na natin. Kasi pupunta na tayo sa exciting part. Sabi ko nga, masarap ma-in love. Madaling magpatawad. Kapag may tampuhan, sorry na. Sige na. Sige na nga. Bati na tayo. Sa first chapter yan.
Kapag wapa na.
January lang kami nagplano dito. Tapos parang ang bilis. December na. Ito na talaga. So yun.
Dancing round in my mind, beautiful butterfly. You're perfect in every way. There's only one choice I can make. I choose you over and over again. Only you. Every day till this world ends. There's no mountain I wouldn't climb, thing that I wouldn't try, nothing that I wouldn't do. I choose you. Only you.
At sabi ko nga, sa first chapter ng pagmamahalan ninyo, madaling magpatawad. Madaling humingi ng sorry. Sa second chapter, kapag nagsasama na kayo ng matagal, makikilala nyo ng isa't isa. At pakiusap ko habang kinikilala nyo yung isa't isa, habang nakikilala nyo yung isa't isa, sana lalo nyong mahalin. Yung tipong hindi pa man nagpapatawad yung isa, hindi pa naman gumagawa ng kasalanan ng isa, nagpapatawad na yung isa.
I choose you.